I'm going to show you several ways how you can restart or turn off your iPhone 17 Pro. Same for the iPhone 17. So the most common way is a 2-key combination: volume up, power button. Press and hold both buttons together. And wait till the power off menu appears, and you can go ahead and slide the power off. Also, you can use volume down and power button as well. Press and hold both buttons together. Just wait. Once this appears, you can go ahead and slide off. Another way you can power down, go to Settings. From Settings, you want to go to General, and then from here, just scroll all the way down, and the very bottom says Shut Down. Tap on that right there, and voila, we get another slider right there. Another way to turn off is you can ask Siri, turn off, and you can power off. You can also restart, and you can restart. Now, let me show you a different way to restart. If your iPhone ever gets frozen or anything and you're not able to restart from the normal way like this, maybe you can't slide or nothing, you can always force it to restart. How you force it to restart? It's a 3-key combination. So what you want to do is you want to press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that power button and wait until you see an Apple logo appear. Once it appears, go ahead and let go of the power button. Let's force a restart together. Ready? Volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button. Now keep holding. Don't worry about what's on the screen here. I'm still holding onto that power button, waiting for an Apple logo to appear. Still holding. It just turned off. Now it's going to pop up. Give it a second here. There it is. Go ahead and release and let it boot up normally. And voila, we are back in business. Pretty simple.